Alright, man, what's the deal with y'all, man? We back with another YouTube video. Today we'll be reacting to an EAS Scenario, No Way Out. This is made by No Way Out. You're gonna subscribe and like the video. Link will be in the description. And I'm not sure what order I'm gonna put this in, but I just made another video that I'm not sure about posting. Yeah, hopefully that's nothing like this. If it's the same way, I might just quit doing YouTube at this point, because that last video was something crazy. But let's get to this one.
On News 12 today, a homeowner asking for help after she says someone was seen on camera taking her dog. News 12's Jen Seelig spoke with the owner.
We're offering a reward if anybody can bring her back home. I'm like, no questions.
Oh shit, I thought this was real for a second. What the hell?
Attention United States citizens. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Service has issued a warning to naval vessels and residents of coastal cities. For the past 7 days the moon has ceased its rotation and revolution and has traveled approximately 50,000 miles closer to the Earth. This has caused dramatic tidal shifts, which has caused tides to go more inland than normal, which has the potential to flood all coastal cities. It seems that the moon has stopped moving closer to the Earth, however the moon's rotation and revolution has still not resumed. Strange, however, the moon has not drifted off into space, but has remained close by to the Earth. This has caused a permanent full moon to be in effect for the foreseeable future. We will keep the American public informed of any new updates to the situation as well as any instructions needed for the maximum amount of harm reduction.
Danielle has put up dozens of these posters around the block and also posting them on Facebook.
Power's out. It's pitch black. You need light. If you planned ahead, you'll have one of these. Just wind it up.
I don't know why the hell that just scared me so bad, but alright.
You'll have light and communication. Call now and get the ultimate survival kit from BeCalm.com. You'll receive the Sunburst, the premier wind-up and solar-powered flashlight and radio, a video resource guide with real advice.
Okay.
Attention citizens of Nassau County. This is an emergency alert from the Nassau County Police Department. Do not allow any family members or pets who are outside to get back inside the house. It is too late for them. It is advised that you do not go outside and stay hidden inside your house, preferably in an attic or basement for the foreseeable future. The sun has completely vanished, and now only the moon remains. People who go outside will have their skin melt, and will scream in pain as if boiling water is being poured on them. They will then become aggressive, and will wander in search of people. They are active 24 hours a day, and have superhuman strength, which allows them to break into homes with ease. If an uninfected human is found, they will maul them and drag them outside to be infected by the moonlight. For some unknown reason,
like some
the planet
bird watch
is not
type shit,
frozen
whatever
yet.
that movie called.
In fact, the moon giving off light without the sun is physically impossible. That is all for now. Do not trust the federal government.
This is the Department of Homeland Security. Disregard what has been previously said. That was misinformation being spread by malicious third-party actors. In fact, it is highly recommended that you go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside.
From leading experts, a diagnostic computer program to test your PC.
In even the cleanest house, bacteria breed.
I ain't gonna lie, they made this pretty They make this really good.
Attention United States citizens, the Earth is being attacked by a foreign being that is beyond human comprehension. We will obscure details of its appearance, since the more details you know, the stronger its influence is on you.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all though. If a situation was like this ever happened, like what he's going on about, I would probably go straight to the sewer, bro. Call me sewer man.
Just a glance of photo of it turns
Ain't
a
no
man
way in
insane.
hell, motherfucker.
represent
Ain't
this-
no way in hell. That damn thing just said they got superhuman strength and it's zombies, and they drag you outside could become infected. Like, I'll go outside. Oh wait, we can't go outside. You know why? Because the second we go outside, our skin gonna be peeled off our fucking body. So I'm really throw everything what I just said away.
For the safety of our viewers. We don't know where this monster came from. It has attached itself to the moon and has been causing all the anomalies that have been affecting the moon and the planet. Every government around the world has been infiltrated by the creature's cultists and have been doing its bidding behind the scenes in preparation for its takeover. We are Veritas, an organization dedicated to thwarting this eldritch horror and its cult from enslaving humanity. We have managed to take control of the world's nuclear arsenal and are aiming every nuclear bomb we have at the creature on the moon. We will keep the public informed on the result of the bombing. Stay hidden and stay safe.
Sensitive instrument that tells us where. It's called the human nerve.
It's all shit, it's just the spectator mode. All the shit going on. Oh, that's crazy. It's a...
Attention United States citizens, Veritas has fallen. The nuclear bombs didn't leave a scratch on the monster. The cultists allowed nuclear bombs to be fired as a propaganda vector, as well as depriving humanity of its last ability to quell the infected human population. It is advised that you stay off the internet and destroy any remaining televisions in your proximity, as the cult is distributing photos of a creature through the internet and EAS alarms. There is no way out of this. All you can do is hide and pray the monsters don't find you.
Basically,
May God forgive us for our failure.
Yeah, bro. Bro just said, alright. Tactical nuke. Incoming. Game over. That shit crazy. So that was made pretty good. I will say that. Make sure y'all please check out their channel. Make sure y'all subscribe to them as well. Make sure y'all like. Shit, bro. That's some crazy shit right there. Damn. But I'll catch y'all though. Hold on. Yeah, I'll catch y'all with the next one, man. Y'all stay safe out here. Y'all go outside.